Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool introduction video edit on CapCut PC. So I just have these two images side by side. They're not the perfect size, so you just want to kind of move them, scooch them over to the right, and hopefully it's in the middle kind of. If it's not, just kind of adjust it back and forth like so, like what I'm doing, like that. Select the first image, go to split, and I'm going to split it like this way and feather it out just a little bit. You're going to want to add a keyframe here, and you're going to want to put this line at the top, and then at the end you're going to place it like down here. If you can, just go back to the first keyframe and actually hide this, and maybe don't feather it. Okay, I'm just going to leave the feather actually. And I'm also going to move this a little bit to the side, like that. And on the second one, sorry, you're going to split it the other way around, and you're going to again feather it out as well. And you're going to place it down here, add a keyframe, and at the end you're going to want to grab that line and pull it up. Okay, I forgot to add a keyframe. Sorry. Oh, wait, I did. I don't know why it did not show. Oh, I just put it on the feather one. And then pull it up. If you want to add in a background before, you can definitely do that by pressing on the main track one, go to canvas and select color, and select any color that you want. Maybe this yellow one or this green one. And I feel like the duration is a little bit too long on these, so I'm just going to grab those keyframes and I'm going to put them closer to each other. Like so. Okay. That should be faster. There you go. Then I'm just going to go to stickers, and I'm just going to use these summer stickers for mine, but you can use any stickers that you want. Just going to load some first. Okay, it's taking quite a long time, so I might pause this and then I'll get back to you when I've downloaded these stickers. Okay, so I've downloaded these stickers, and I'm just going to place this one on the on the right side. And I'm just going to place this one on the left side just going to resize it as well. Okay, let's place it here. I'm also then going to select these stickers, and I'm just going to go on this keyframe, and I'm just going to add a keyframe here. And then at the beginning, I'm just going to place it where I am not able to see it. Make sure the X position is the same. So I'm just going to put it at -928 so that it doesn't move differently. It just moves down. And then on the second one, I'm just going to do the same. I'm going to go to that keyframe. I'm just going to add in, okay, 995, and then I'm going to place it down where it's here, and I'm going to have the same exact position for that one. Okay, once you're done, select these stickers, and you are going to right click, create compound clip, and go to animation and select the fade in animation for your stickers. Okay, it's taking a long time, but you're basically just going to do that to add in a fade in look. Okay, apparently it's too short to add in animation. It's not necessary anyways, but you can just put the opacity to a 0 first here, and then right about here put it at 100 maybe, or here-ish. You can do the same thing with the first one and put it at 100 so it looks like that. And then you can just add in a text saying travel vlog or something here. Totally up to you how you want to like decorate it and stuff. Add in an animation to it. Maybe like this roll in one. I still need to download the animations, but just add it in. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!